This question probes your ability to dissect the structure of a polymer. To do so, you'll also need to know some basic chemistry of functional groups. Let's read. They give you the structure of a polymer. The fact that it's fire retardant is irrelevant, as for that matter is the fact that its name is Nomex. Then we're asked to draw the simplest repeating unit of Nomex, draw the two monomers that are used to make the polymer, and name the two functional groups present. The fact that it's a condensation polymer means that a small molecule was eliminated in its formation, and this is an important clue. And remember, a functional group means something other than a saturated hydrocarbon chain, and it's usually the location in a molecule at which reactivity occurs. So what's the plan? Well, start by looking for identical points in the polymer chain. This will help us find the repeating unit. Next, work out where the small molecules have been eliminated from in forming the polymer. Finally, we'll chop the polymer into its constituent parts. Following our plan, we'll start solving the problem. Let's pick the first functional group, the aromatic ring, and look for the next one. Is this the same as the first? Well, no, it's not. It has nitrogen atoms attached to it, not carbons, so it's the wrong choice. The next one along works. It has the same groups attached as the first, so we can identify the repeating unit simply by drawing brackets that include the first, but not the second group, like so. Let's write that out in full below. Note that if you pick a different starting point, you'll end up with a different looking repeat unit, like this one for example. That's okay, they're both correct. Now look for points at which small molecules have been eliminated. Amide links appear here and here, and amides are formed by reaction between carboxylic acids and amines to form amides and water. If you look at the repeating unit, you'll see that the amine is actually a diamine, and the carboxylic acid is a dicarboxylic acid. They've combined to eliminate water. So now that the monomers have been identified, we need to consider the functional groups. We've talked about both already, the amide and the aromatic ring. Now, check that you've answered all the parts. We have a sensible repeating unit. You can check it by drawing a duplicate alongside, and you should see the original polymer. We've provided both monomers and identified the functional groups.